What would really happen if you did 50 squats every single day? No machines, no weight, just your body and a bit of consistency. In this video, we'll break down exactly what changes, when you'll feel them, and why this simple habit might be worth starting today. Stick around till the end. Most people miss the most important part. But before we start, drop your age and name in the comments. No judgment, just curiosity. Squats are one of the most powerful bodyweight exercises you can do. They work your glutes, core, legs, and even your lower back. And the best part is, you can do them anytime, anywhere. So what happens when you stick to 50 squats a day? In the first week, expect soreness in your glutes and quads. That's your muscles being challenged and rebuilt stronger. By week 2, your legs start feeling more powerful and stable. Climbing stairs feels easier, movements feel smoother, and your glutes begin to lift and tighten. By the 3rd week, consistency kicks in, your balance improves, your coordination sharpens, and your endurance skyrockets. After a full month, 50 squats a day will feel natural. Your legs will be stronger, your glutes more defined, and your posture better thanks to improved hip alignment and core strength. But here's the truth. 50 squats a day won't turn you into a bodybuilder. If you want serious strength or size, you'll eventually need extra resistance, like barbells, dumbbells, or resistance bands. Still, daily bodyweight squats build a solid foundation. They improve flexibility, mobility, and blood flow, keeping your hips, knees, and ankles strong and healthy. And there's one more benefit people rarely mention: confidence. When you move better, feel stronger, and stay consistent, you naturally gain control over your body, and that confidence spills into every part of your life. So should you start doing 50 squats a day? Absolutely! It's a simple habit with massive long-term benefits. If 50 feels like too much, break it into smaller sets. Time to level up. If you're feeling strong, push yourself to 75 or 100 squats. The key to success is consistency, so find a routine that works for you and stick to it. Share your squat goals and progress in the comments below. If this video helped you, give it a like and hit subscribe for more no-nonsense fitness tips and challenges. Let's crush our fitness goals together. Small actions add up to big results over time, so keep showing up and pushing yourself. Whether you're a beginner or a fitness enthusiast, there's always room to grow and improve. Join the journey and let's get fit.